Friends, hope this video finds you and your family healthy and safe. This video will have two sections. First, how do we think about investing in the age of unknowables? And second, at Axis, how is our brand equity strategy wading through this crisis? So let's start with investing in the age of unknowables. Talking of unknowables, in my opinion, there are three that dwarf the rest. First, how long do we take to flatten the COVID curve? When do we come out of the COVID situation as a health scare? Second, and linked to that, is the economic damage that it comes along with this crisis. And third, the outlook on oil prices. So how do we think about investing in such a scenario full of unknowables? Well, while in the short term, equity markets have treated all the businesses in the same way in the form of equity share price declines, but over next 12 months, as we navigate through this crisis and come out on the other side, equity markets will make a clear distinction between businesses that are leveraged or under-leveraged, businesses that are cash flow rich or cash flow starved, and finally, businesses in the sectors which are at the epicenter of the crisis, like media, entertainment, travel, leisure, and logistics sector. We are confident that while under-levered and cash flow rich businesses will emerge as winners, leveraged businesses and cash flow starved businesses could see impairment of their fundamental value and could lead to loss of capital. Hence, the need of the hour is to indulge in bottom-up investing or invest in strategies which invest in stocks on a bottom-up basis rather than on a macro basis. In that context, we are pleased to report that we at Axis do exactly the same in our brand equity strategy or brand equity portfolio, and have navigated through this crisis well so far and positioned well for future because first, by definition, we invest in brands and brands only, which tend to be under-leveraged or cash flow rich, and hence can survive in a weak revenue environment over the next 6 to 9 months, while their competitors, unorganized or weaker or smaller brands or private level companies, could have a significant erosion in market shares and competitive position, or could also lead to bankruptcies over a period of time, which means overall market share gain for brands. Also, our exposure to sectors at the epicenter of the crisis are bare minimum. Finally, our Axis brand equity portfolio is well positioned for future because our portfolio, which consists of an eclectic collection of emerging, established, and turnaround brands, will emerge as market share gainers in the short term and resilient winners on the other side of the crisis. Also, our ability to navigate well through the down markets, as shown in the past 3 years, makes it a good candidate for a capital allocation in such markets. Thank you. Hopefully, you stay safe and sound and happy investing.